flight crew, we would like to be the first to welcome you to Curitiba. We do ask that you stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have taxied the gate. Come to a complete stop, but most importantly, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that it is safe for you to move throughout the cabin to retrieve your belongings. Please use caution when opening those overhead bins, as items should have placed there due to the ship during flight and upon landing. This is your first port of entry into Brazil. Everyone will need to clear customs and immigration. You're connecting on another flight here in Curitiba. You can check with the gate agent for that connecting flight information. Certainly has been our pleasure serving you this morning. We know you have a choice when flying in. We certainly are glad you chose the New American. We hope you enjoy your stay here or wherever your final destination may be. All we ask is that you buckle up, drive safe, and come back and see us real soon.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Continue sentado e com o cinto de segurança afivelado até que o sinal para afivelar o cinto de segurança tenha sido desligado. E mantenha os corredores livres de qualquer bagagem de mão. Dedique alguns instantes para verificar se o bolsão do encosto à frente contém qualquer item pessoal, como tablets e telefones celulares. Quando você abrir o compartimento superior para a bagagem, tenha cautela, pois alguns volumes podem ter se movimentado durante o voo. E obrigado por ter escolhido a American Airlines.
Bom dia, senhoras e senhores, bem-vindos a Curitiba.